thought I'd fly over my own state. Something about those city lights were calling out my name. Now mama, don't you cry, you know there'll come a day where I come visit you at home. And if I never stay, the same old worn out welcome sign, the population getting by, crossing that county line brings back the good old days. With the same old station on the side of that homegrown two-lane paradise, watching that midnight sky you don't see in LA. This big world will always change, but the small town will stay the same. This concrete tree line's got my head up in the clouds. A good thing that I got my roots back in steady ground. With the same old small church parking lot, I cried when Bobby tied the knot. By God, we never thought he'd give her his last name.
Hi everyone, welcome to Brian's Out of Office. Today I'm going to introduce you my new toy. So this is my new toy. This is the DJI Neo 2 drone. Just got it a few days ago and testing my first flight with the drone. So this drone comes with the drone itself. This set comes with the drone itself. Right, this is called, I think this is called Fly More with remote control. So basically, DJI Drone Neo 2, there is 4 different packages. One is only the drone. All right, one is only the drone. Second is the drone with 3 battery and a charger. And then the third type is with the RC, which is the remote control. Right, and then the fourth one is actually with the first person view goggle. So I didn't go for that one because I'm not so interested into the first person view. I'm more needing this for some footage. Okay, let me demonstrate to you how to fly a DJI Neo 2 without a remote control. It's pretty simple actually. So let me do a basic tracking. So first of all, there's a gimbal protection. Take it out. Right. To turn on the Neo 2, press one time and then long press the second time. And then propeller will move a bit. Okay, basically it's turned on. There's a sound. Then you can see from the LCD itself, now is the follow function with the front right and going high. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to configure this follow by pressing the button. This is high, low angle. I'm going to do a flat. I'm going to do a front. I'm going to do a medium distance. After I set this, I just to press the red color button and I press again. 2, 1. Alright, so it's following me. Okay, I can adjust it with the gesture. Go up, go to the right. Right, I can go far. Go up. Stop. Alright, see? You'll follow me whenever I go. Let's move down a bit. Okay, so to call the drone back, you don't need a remote control. You just need to raise your hand. Amazing, right? Okay, this is how you do it with remote control. No, without remote control. Now let's do the phone. So what you need is a DJI Fly apps. Let me connect the apps to the drone. Connection successful. Okay, let's go. All right. Now you see in the app itself, there is many function. There's follow, there's selfie shot, highlight, slow-mo, whatever manual also. Same thing, let's maybe do let's do a droney. Okay, let's do a droney. Let's go for 6 meter flat. Okay, all right, 6 meter flat. How do I go back? Okay, press this now. Dek, bagi tempat sikit, okay? Thank you. Start.
3, 2, 1.
See, this is a droney that will go far and then it will come back with a cinematic shot. All right. Okay, droney. Let's do a race. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
See, it's racing to 6 meter and then you will do a cinematic shot coming back. Cool. This is how you do it without a remote control, just using your hand and gesture and apps. Okay. Okay, now let's do a manual control. Okay. So manual control, you can do it on the vertical or the horizontal way. Right, this is a horizontal one. So what you do is take off. It's round press to take off. All right. Then you can control raising, left, right, turning. Okay. Then you can start the recording. Go in front. Go up. Go down. Go turning. Left, right, turning. Okay. Coming back. Coming back, coming back, come on. And then raise your hand. See? Simple. Okay. Now let's try with the remote control. Okay. Let me stop the recording. Let me bring out the remote control. Okay. Let's attach it with the phone. This is the part that I don't like the most. If you can have money, take the RC-N2 Remote, which come with the LCD itself, so you no need to attach with your phone. Yeah, but fine, budget constraint. So this is the choice I have. Okay, now let's start the DJI Fly apps. Start recording my screen. Next, record. Okay, so you start recording. Turn on the remote. Same thing. Press 1, long press. You hear a sound? Yes, remote started. Okay, so okay, so it said, yep, okay, connected. Satellite signal. Can they find satellite signal? Yes, it's found in home ground. Okay, now let's start the recording and then let's take off. Oops, I forget to attach the remote control stick. Okay, so you have this stick that you need to attach every time when you fly for your remote control. I forget to do it just now. All right, so now I can control with remote control, which you can fly a bit further. I have about 7 minutes from the battery. Let's go further. All right. Okay, the DJI Neo 2 come with avoidance system as well, but not like many of the drone is not 100% perfect, but at least it have. Okay, now I think I'm high enough. Okay, I have a button here. I can enjoy and adjust the camera angle to lower or can go higher. Okay, or I can go lower. All right, and I can go further, higher, further, higher. Right, much higher. All right, and I have 3 speed, a fast speed, which is the first person view speed where you turn off the avoidance system, or you can go with the cinematic speed, which is very slow, and a normal speed. Now I'm on a normal speed. Okay, let's go higher. Yeah. Yeah, someone is talking to me. All right, now actually I cannot see my drone anymore. I don't know, somewhere far, far away. Here it written that I'm 186 meter away and I am 64 meter high. Let me raise. Let me raise. Let me adjust the camera down, down, raise. Okay, now I'm at 100 meter high. Adjust the camera a bit to look at the mountain. Right, I literally cannot see my drone. I just fly with my phone and the camera only. All right, I have 5-minute flight time. Now I have 250 meter away. Go up. Right. Okay, now if I want to go home, because I have registered my home, I just need to press the landing and return home. And there will be a sound where the drone will find its own way back here. Hopefully not crashing into the tree around here because there's a lot of tree on top. There's a lot of tree here. So hopefully it doesn't crash into it. I don't know where is it. Let me see. Maybe I need to interfere when it's nearer. It's actually on top. It's on top of me. Okay, let's see how it work out. Maybe I should cancel it. Let's cancel it and let's reverse the drone. Okay, I see it. Let's bring him back automatically. Now, let's press home. Let's see where it goes. Okay, it still go high up. And there's a lot of trees, so I don't want to take risks. So it's better to do it, and it's better to register your location on an empty space rather than like me. There's a space with a lot of tree. Okay, the drone is back. Quite cool, right? It's actually quite fun. Can you see me? Can you see me? Can you see me? Oh, you cannot go higher. You cannot go lower because of the collision avoidance. Okay, now land. Nice. That's how cool is it? Okay.
Oh, the ring that I won on the night that we once stayed 14 to 9. Those Friday football lights sure did feel like fame. This big world will always change, but the small town will stay the same. To the place where the same old